Well, as you can tell, it's going to be end of season. We're finally getting some colder weather again, but it's almost too late. Everything's opening up. We've already spudded out to that tree line out there. We can get within about 10 feet, and it's still about 5 inches. You get any closer than that, and it starts dropping off really fast to open water. We had to put a board down here at the end to be able to get on, but it might be the last time out. Maybe this weekend if it stays cold, but I don't think it's going to. Oh, about messed up there. Forgot that was sitting up there. As you can tell, we spudded out, augured, checked the ice. It's holding anywhere from 4.5 to 5, except for by the bank. It's about, oh, I'd say 3-ish. So we're gonna spread out a little bit. At least it's still clear ice for the most part. I'd say at least 3 inches of it's still crystal clear ice, and about 1 inch to 2 inches of crap ice, pretty much. All right, next time you'll see me, I'll be in the shack set up. What? Anything? No, nothing yet. Something was on the bottom, but that was it. Sure. There we go, first fish. Getting into the trees, go figure. Nice little bluegill. Fish coming in. Let's see if I can focus him up to me here a little bit. Here he comes. Missed him. Little nibbler. Didn't miss him that time. That was weird. Took it on the drop. Feels like a little bluegill. Yep. It was a nicer one. Might clean a few fish today. We'll see what happens. Here he comes. Got him. Not a bad crappie.
Nothing, Robert?
One crappie and 2 bluegills.
Caught a crappie something?
Yeah.
You want to scream out, you fucking homo? Good crappie?
Probably 9.
That's solid ice over here.
And it's clear ice too, which is nice.
Walking on sunshine out here.
You guys catch anything yet, or?
When we first got it, it was just a small bluegill.
I caught one small one, one decent one, and then I had one suspended mark come in and it hammered me.
Yeah, I got about 26 feet here.
Shit, I got another suspended fish coming in. If I can get down to him fast enough before he leaves. Oh.
We all gonna have to take it real slow going back home.
Right?
This right now, this ain't even snow, dude. This is fucking sleet.
I was gonna say, it sounds like sleet. See a little guy. Maybe. There he goes. Don't know if you see down the hole, but he did swim away. Right? I about went over on that one. What's that? Yeah.
Got me out here in this blizzard.
Joke's on you.
I can almost guarantee though, man, if I could have got to my spot, I would have had traffic.
I got 2.
I'm telling you got 2, I would have had my 2 over there.
Right. Friggin' bolts would come loose on my hut from this wind, like, man.
The whole front end of my tent line fucking come up.
Somehow I lost 2 damn nuts. No idea where they went. And the bolts keep unthreading themselves every time it, starts getting smacked up with the wind.
Right. Oh, I got something big here. Holy shit.
Little gill? Yeah. I know, I just caught one about 2 minutes ago and it hit it like hard. Like really hard, and it felt like I missed them. Baby gill.
I dumped them in the water. You dumped my bag,
All right, I'm calling it a wrap. So if you can't tell, calling that a quits there for the day. Got out for a couple hours and the weather moved in pretty bad. If you can't tell, and it's only supposed to get worse, so I'm gonna call it a wraps right there. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and there'll be more to come. Have a good day.